For hobbyists and small-scale craftsmen venturing into CNC routing, the Genmitsu 3020 Pro Max V2 CNC router emerges as a promising contender, offering a blend of upgraded features and convenient setup. Let's delve into its key attributes and user experiences. Enhanced structure. The 3020 Pro Max V2 CNC boasts structural upgrades, including a robust 4040Y axis profile and a machined aluminum SP oil board with measurement scale. Notable improvements like the dual steel X-axis guide rail and upgraded Z-axis assembly enhance stability, crucial for precise machining. User-friendly setup. With a focus on convenience, the machine presents a streamlined setup process. The pre-assembled modules and organized wiring significantly reduce assembly time, while the optimized layout maximizes workspace utilization. Such considerations cater to users seeking a hassle-free CNC experience. Expanded functionality. Building upon the Gerbil V1.1 platform, the router incorporates high-powered Toshiba TV6S109 drivers for enhanced performance. Moreover, the inclusion of additional function ports like the dedicated laser port and air assistance pump port amplifies versatility, catering to diverse application needs. Comprehensive package. The 3020 Pro Max V2 CNC comes as a complete solution, offering upgraded components and essential accessories in a single package. From an improved offline controller to XYZ axis limit switches and an emergency stop mechanism, the machine ensures a comprehensive and cost-effective investment. User insights. Users attest to the machine's capability in handling various materials, including balsa, plywood, and carbon fiber. While praising its sturdy construction and quiet operation, they recommend minor enhancements such as securing screws with thread locker for vibration resistance. Additionally, commendations for the responsive customer support highlight SaintSmart's commitment to customer satisfaction. Learning curve and considerations. Acknowledging a learning curve, users emphasize the need for research and patience in mastering CNC operations. While the machine offers a solid foundation, users suggest acquiring additional tools for a broader range of projects. Nonetheless, its affordability and versatility make it an appealing option for beginners exploring CNC machining. In summary, the Genmitsu 3020 Pro Max V2 CNC router machine stands out as a reliable and accessible choice for hobbyists and small-scale craftsmen. With its upgraded features, user-friendly setup, and comprehensive package, it represents a valuable investment for those venturing into the world of CNC routing.